Okay, our next topic will be graphing parabolas and the quadratic formula, but before we can get to that, we have to figure out how to use function notation. And this f of x is the notation, and this is the way it's said, f of x. And f of x is just a more sophisticated way of expressing y in an ordered pair x and y. So the ordered pair can now be written as x f of x. So here's some notation, and I just want you to look at each piece and name the ordered pair using only the notation. F of 8 equals 3 implies x is 8 and y is 3, so the ordered pair would be 8, 3. F of negative 1 equals 5, x is negative 1, y is 5, so the ordered pair is negative 1, 5. F of 0 equals 4, x is 0, y is 4, so the ordered pair is 0, 4. And this is also known as the y-intercept. Plotting this, x is 0, y is 4, so you cross the y-axis. And then finally, f of 2 equals 0, x is 2, y is 0, so the ordered pair is 2, 0. This is the x-intercept, and for graphing purposes, it would be the point 2, 0 on the x-axis. Using the notation in a function equation, I'll just go through function A on the video. F of x equals 2x plus 1. The notation tells you that in the equation given, the variable will be x. So to evaluate this equation for f of 0, everywhere the variable appears, I substitute in 0. And here I end up with 2 times 0, which is 0 plus 1. So the value is 1. And the ordered pair associated with this function at 0 would be the ordered pair 0, 1. F of 2, evaluate f of 2, and you get 5. So the ordered pair associated with f of 2 would be 2, 5. And finally, f of 1/2. 2 times 1/2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. The ordered pair associated with this would be the ordered pair 1/2 positive 2. And you can do the function in B on your own. Domain. To define domain simply for Algebra 1, it would be your input values or your x values. So looking at the function given in A, if you were asked to list the domain from A above using set notation, it would just simply be the x values, 0, 2, and 1/2. And then when you complete function B on your own, you can list the domain for function B. The range for Algebra 1 would be your output values, or to keep it simple, just your y values. So from the ordered pair x, y, the domain comes from x and the range comes from y. So to list the range set associated with function A, you would just simply list the outcomes or all of the y values. I'm going to stop this video here and then talk about graphing the parabola on the next video.